Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will start the topic globalization and the Indian economy from the economics. In this video, we will discuss on some of the points multinational corporation MNCs, foreign direct investment FDI, modes of foreign investment, function of foreign trade, globalization and reasons for globalization. So, first we discuss multinational corporation or MNCs. MNCs are the companies that have their branches or manufacturing units in more than one nation or country. MNCs establish their factories and offices in regions where cheap labor, raw material, and other resources are readily available. This minimizes the cost of production and increase the profit. Now come on the next point, that is foreign direct investment or FDI. Investment made by an MNC in a country for setting up factories and offices. Thus, the money spent for buying land, building, machines, and other equipments for starting production by an MNC is called foreign direct investment or FDI. The next point is modes of foreign investment, or how the foreign company or MNCs invest their money. The first point is establishment of factories and offices solely by the MNC in some other countries using its own capital. Means they use their money to purchasing the land or buying the land and establishment their industry. Next part is establishment of production unit by an MNC in joint venture with some local companies. Next point, buying local companies and then expanding their production. The next point, placing orders with the small local producers. Function of foreign trade. In this system, MNCs opens up the world market for the producers. It means the vast choice for the consumers, and this reduces the producers' dependency on the domestic markets. It increases the choices of goods for buyers. Means lot of choices are there that consumer will take anyone which he or she wants. It integrates various nations and paves the way for cultural and other contacts. Globalization, or what is globalization? It refers to the process of integration of market and interconnection between countries. It increased contact with other nations have made the world a smaller place. The reasons for globalization: improved means of communication technology. Just an example, internet, television, telephone, fax, etc. It increased trade and commerce among the nations. It improved means of transport. Just an example, aircraft and ships. Greater mobility of people in search of jobs and better education.